Hi, my name is Buck Bonner and I'm the listing broker for the 2019 Sea Ray 400 SLX here on Lake Lanier. We're located in Baldridge Marina. The boat is currently sitting on our sales dock and this is an incredible boat. So starting at the transom of the boat here on the swim platform, as you can see there's ample space here. This is a full teak cockpit boat from the swim platform all the way to the bow. Nothing's more gorgeous than teak on a boat. You can't beat the look. But going over some of the features of this boat, it's a lot different than a lot of the other large bow riders you're going to see out there. Starting just here in the corner of the swim platform, you can see you have a freshwater stainless steel stanchion here holding your shower head. This is a hot water, cold water shower head. You can stand on the back of your boat, shower off after getting out of the lake, or hose people's feet off and things. All your water will drain through this grate here, illuminated by your blue LED pipe lighting, drain directly into the water. Here in this nice big storage compartment here, the previous owner has a lot of his gear, cleaning supplies, canvas, ropes, fenders and things like that stored in here. However, that storage compartment is long enough to put a fully inflated, or if you have a full paddle board in that storage compartment. It'll slide all the way forward. That compartment runs forward quite a ways. Here on the swim platform, this is a hydraulic swim step. This will lower down into the water. It's great for hanging out, coving out for the day. People can get on and off the boat using it, or you can just sit on it in the water as people are floating and swimming around. It's great for entertaining. As you see here, you have a large sun pad. This is an articulating backrest depending on how you prefer to sit, or how your guests are sitting on the boat, covered by your extended sunshade as well. You also have ample storage here for lines and things under this big sun pad here. So as you can see, the blue LED pipe lighting, and it'll be continued throughout the boat, right over the top of your upgraded Fusion stereo unit. This boat has the upgraded Fusion stereo, which is going to include your subwoofers, amplifiers, and the upgraded speakers throughout the boat as well. One of the major features of this boat that sets it apart from the competition is the folding terrace. I mean, this is an incredible feature. You're not going to see it on a lot of other boats out there. It really opens up the bottleneck of the transom walk-through here from the swim platform all the way into the cockpit, or it's great for just maximizing your deck space. As you can see, it's great for bringing more people on board, more hanging out space exposed to the water. You can jump on and off the boat using it. A really neat feature exclusive to the Sea Ray 400 SLX. Come with me inside the cockpit and we'll discuss some of the other options and features. Now we've moved into the cockpit of the 2019 Sea Ray 400 SLX, and there's no hiding why this boat is such an incredible day boat. The entertainment aspects is just unrivaled by any other boat out there. So, starting on the starboard side over here next to your galley and wet bar, you can see you have the dual electric Kenyon grills. Great for a day out on the water. If you want to throw some steaks, some shrimp, some hamburgers, hot dogs, anything on there, you can. You also have your wet bar covered up by your nice Corian countertop here. Here you'll have your dual garbage cans, which is nice. If you're a boater, out on the lake for a day or out on the ocean, you will accumulate a bunch of garbage. Just to the left of that, you will have your wine cooler. So that's great for you wine enthusiasts out there. Also, you'll have your stainless steel isotherm refrigerating unit. So everything and anything you would need to go out and bring your food for the day and also prepare it. Take a look around the cockpit of the boat. This boat has the upgraded teak cockpit table as well. Lots of seating on this boat. You can bring many friends and family or additional families. You're not going to run out of space for entertaining your guests. You also have built-in cooler storage up under some of your seats as well, where you'll have your igloo cooler storage there. As we move forward, you can see your port side chair over here does have the ability to swivel as well, so that way these guests can enjoy the party. If everybody is hanging out here in the cockpit, it's a nice social environment it creates on this particular boat. As you move forward towards the helm, you're going to see you have the dual SIMRAD GPS units. You can display your charts. This particular boat comes equipped with, or actually had it installed by the previous owner, comes with radar. He also had satellite TV for some of your other electronics as well. On here you can control a lot of the functionality of the boat, whether it be lights, whether it be pumps, whether it be sunshade extensions, stereos. A lot of other functionalities can be controlled other than just GPS and radar. over here on the right, this boat is an Axios boat. It has twin 8.2 430 horsepower engines. Driving this boat and docking this boat is a breeze, just a twist of the joystick. The joystick will work in conjunction with the stern drives, moving the boat whichever way you decide to push the joystick. You have your Lenco trim tabs here as well. If you want to keep the bow down at lower speeds, or if you have 15 people on the boat and the boat's listing a little or so, you can make quick adjustments on the fly like that. Dual helm seats here, which is nice if you have a companion who wants to sit next to you. You have your Fusion upgraded head unit here as well, so that's going to control all your upgraded speakers throughout the rest of the boat. And before we leave the cockpit, you do have the optional sunroof as well. This is a canvas opening section of the boat here, so you can get either shade or sun for anyone on the boat, anywhere they're sitting. Now let's go towards the bow, and I can show you some of those features that make that such an enjoyable space as well. As we move towards the bow of the boat, you can see the same theme is continued throughout the boat, which is quality and luxury. You have three chase loungers or individual seats here with flip down armrests, so you have three guests that can face forward. You have nice port and starboard seating here on the bow, so you can fit a handful of people up here in the bow as well. You do have a teak table that is stored right here in your floor storage locker. You can pick that up, plug it right into your holder here, and everybody can sit around and have a nice dining social environment here in the bow of the boat as well. As you can see, you also have your stainless leather wrapped grab handles, your upgraded Fusion speakers as well, so great sound up here continued in the bow of the boat. Another feature that you're not seeing here is the bow sunshade. So there is a sunshade that will connect to the hard top of the boat and run all the way to the bow, and you'll have two stanchions that'll insert here, giving shade to everyone in the bow of the boat. So again, everyone in this boat, depending on if you're on the swim platform or all the way in the bow, you can have as much sun as you want or as much shade as you want. No one's fighting over shade on this particular boat. So last but not least, you come up to the bow of the boat, you'll have access to your windlass controls, which is an automatic anchor. You'll have your remote adjustments as well, so you can control everything here from the bow or from the helm. Also, last but not least, I do want you to get a shot of the radar and the Track Vision TV1. Those are some high dollar upgrades that are already equipped on this boat, so this boat is turnkey ready to go. This boat, even though it's a 40-foot bow rider, does have quite an impressive salon area. So let's go downstairs and take a look at the salon, and I can show you the abundance of space down below. Now we've moved down in the salon of the 2019 400 SLX, and take a look at this salon. You don't see this on any bow rider, but this is a 40-foot bow rider, so it offers you ample space down in the salon. I'm sitting here at the dinette, convertible dinette. This table also has the ability to lower. There's filler cushions for it as well, turning this entire cushioned area into a berth. You also are going to have your Samsung television with your Bose soundbar, so great sound system. You also have the necessities. The majority of your cooking's going to be done exterior in the cockpit, so down here you have the things that you just gotta have, which is your refrigerator and your microwave. So you've got the necessities down here, and you have everything over and above out in the cockpit. Now let's take a look at the master sleeping quarters. Take a look at these master sleeping quarters. This is a full beam berth. You also have ample storage up in these cabinets along the port and starboard side, but just the amount of space down here offered on a 40-foot bow rider is tremendous. So this boat is not inconvenient to go overnight on for a weekend or even extended stays. You still have plenty of space down below. Another nice feature of this boat is the head. So here you're gonna have a fully stand-up shower and head with wraparound curtain, and you also have your sink here, lots of storage for your toiletries and things. So everything down below in this boat you have for, you know, extended stays on the water. Thanks for taking a look at the 400 SLX with us. Please come see it in person and ask for Buck Bonner.